Hello, Wise Owl.
Oh, hello. Nice to see you.
Don't you have a puzzle for me today?
I do have a puzzle for you. Are you ready to solve it?
Yes, I'm ready. Ask away, Wise Owl.
Okay, so the puzzle goes like this. Can you tell how to use the numerals 1, 9, 9, 6 exactly in that order to make 38?
Let me think about how to solve this. We need to figure out a way to use the numerals 1996 exactly in that order to make 38. We see that 19 multiplied by 2 equal to 38, or 19 divided by, in parenthesis, 1 divided by 2 equal to 38. Also, 3 divided by 6 equal to 1 divided by 2, and square root of 9 equal to 3. Or 19 divided by, in parenthesis, square root of 9 divided by 6 equal to 38, as required using the numerals 1996, and in that exact order. Okay, I got the answer. Let's ask the Wise Owl. I think I know how to use the numerals 1996 exactly in that order to make 38.
Let's see how you would solve this.
We see that 19 multiplied by 2 equal to 38, or 19 divided by, in parenthesis, 1 divided by 2 equal to 38. Also, 3 divided by 6 equal to 1 divided by 2, and square root of 9 equal to 3. Or 19 divided by, in parenthesis, square root of 9 divided by 6 equal to 38, as required using the numerals 1996, and in that exact order. So using the numerals 1996, and in that exact order, we can get 38 as follows. 19 divided by, in parenthesis, square root of 9 divided by 6 equal to 38. Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct. Here's your reward.
Oh, thank you.